Ashar, can you turn off the light?
Yeah, sure. I see something.
What is it?
I don't know.
Just check it out.
No, it's creeping me out and making a weird sound. Just come here.
Huh?
Ah! It's coming towards me. Ah! Hunter! Ah! What are you doing?
I was eating crackers.
Okay.
Come on. Yeah, turn off the light.
Oh yeah, okay.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's video, our first ever skit on the channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to see our next week's video, our first ever ranking video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, turn on post notifications. If you know someone who would also enjoy this video, make sure to send it to them. Anyways, click one of the things on screen that YouTube is recommending for you. And yeah, I'll see you next week.